Hi, I'm Benjamin from Spic and Span, and we are a commercial cleaning company. We are at the forefront of R&D by using bots to do our cleaning. Spic and Span started off by hiring workers who were mature and displaced as housekeepers. From then onwards, we started hiring from more than 50 voluntary welfare organizations across Singapore, ranging from ex-offenders to single parents, the homeless, as well as persons with special needs. Training has helped our workers do things smarter and safer. For example, we currently use bots to clean our windows, so it makes work at height safer. Investing in new technology helps provide better value-add service to our customers. For example, the use of silent carpet sweepers allows our workers to conduct vacuum cleaning at any point of the day. In order to meet market demands, we are currently developing our own indoor air quality solutions to reduce contaminants in high-rise buildings. We hope to share how improved productivity and better training can lead to providing value-added services for our clients and to manage bottom lines, especially for SMEs.